Great places to visit in the United States. Iowa, nestled in the heart of the American Midwest, is a state that exudes natural beauty, warm hospitality, and a genuine Midwestern spirit. Known as the Hawkeye State, Iowa offers a landscape of rolling prairies, picturesque farmlands, and meandering rivers. The state's small towns and charming communities embrace visitors with friendly smiles and a welcoming atmosphere. In the capital city of Des Moines, a vibrant art scene, bustling farmers markets, and the stunning Pappajohn Sculpture Park showcase the city's creative spirit. Iowa is also renowned for its dedication to agriculture, and visitors can explore farm-to-table experiences, agritourism destinations, and the famous Iowa State Fair, celebrating the state's farming heritage. Nature lovers can escape to places like the Effigy Mounds National Monument, where ancient Native American burial mounds dot the landscape, or the stunning bridges of Madison County, made famous by the novel and film. With its strong sense of community, rich cultural traditions, and an appreciation for the simple joys of life, Iowa invites visitors to experience the tranquility of the countryside and embrace the heartland beauty that defines this remarkable state. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.